Listen to the beats.
You're coming to my birthday.
Can you come to mine, Xavier?
2, 1.
Dawson, put that ball away.
Nope, don't go back and stay here.
That was the longest 8 seconds of my life.
Xavier.
My arm just keeps swinging.
Xavier.
Go.
Bravo. Connor, Cameron, you better film good.
I'm tired, coach.
And there's a little longer.
Let out your inner self.
Wilson.
2.
That was
That was only level 1.
coach.
Done with level 1.
I thought we were on like level 8.
Oh man, coach. It's your fault.
No, no, fine. I will. Wait.
Hey, Trip.
Hey, Dolphin. I'll eat your dog. Let me eat Maverick. Maverick loves me. Next time I'm at your house, I know, I'm gonna give him a paw massage.
Yeah.
Goodness gracious.
Do it, mama.
That's what I'm saying, bro. How did he make it to level 21?
I think they're lying.
He said a maximum of 15. He said minimum of 15. I was only on 3. We ran 45 sprints.
This is our whole practice.
Yeah,
Because there's gonna be that one kid that's
Coach,
for real.
take that just so I didn't take it.
Show me that, Irish. She wants to prove that Notre Dame is not a bad school. I want to go home and play Madden. Some Fortnite.
Four.
Oh my god.
I'm cramping.
It's okay.
I'm like locked in right now.
I'll get out one Trip.
Guys, you need to try your back.
Jackson, make sure you go.
Who? Who?
Yeah, who do you think?
Uh,
I think Noah.
no, yeah, no. No, Noah for
Start
like
getting harder,
doing
guys.
try. I feel like Connor or Jackson. Yeah, Connor.
Yeah, it's one of those three.
Never know, it could be me.
He's probably level 6.
I'm not even at level 5.
I know.
Coach, what did you say the minimum levels was? 6? Okay. We aren't even at 5.
We're the last one.
6.
Hey,
Told you.
once it gets to 7, you want to get out?
Connor, you didn't make
Almost
it.
just us.
Keep going. Keep going.
No, but I don't want to. Wait, what did you say?
You want to take almost just us. We know they're the last ones. You know they're the first ones.
Why not?
This up.
We are. I told you, Connor. You was. Here's the first one. Bruh, Michaela and Zion got in a fight at lunch. They were insulting each other about their weight when they're over 350 each.
Y'all guys are locked in. You ain't shit about talking.
7.
Y'all need to unlock, bro.
For real.
This you're out.
Dang, Musa. We're barely making it. We gotta speed it up.
Alright, I'm getting out.
Getting pretty close there, Trent.
I don't want to get to this anymore.
Can you beat me in a game?
David, once you get at 8, will you get out with me? Please get out with me at level 8.
8.
Come on, this one right here. Please, Johnson, get out with me.
Trent, you're out.
Alright.
Toss it in. Number 1. Jackson, number 1.
Yeah. Come on, let's go over here to the cushions. Come on, Cooper.
I can't be around you. I don't want to see somebody there. Dawson, you're looking at me mad funny.
Very
I'm
exhausting.
not going to tell you. Get off the bags right now. You're in 6th grade. Are you in 6th grade?
Yeah.
What are you watching?
Actually, the best 6th grade in that girl.
Huh?
Nico. Cooper, what are you watching?
9.
Musa was on his Jets. Hey, I told Bugs, you ready for your match against the Broncos? He said, yeah, I'm ready to lock him up.
Who? What'd he say?
He said, yeah, I'm ready to lock up LeBron.
Dylan Brooks talks so much crap.
I not like him.
Yeah.
What'd
He's ugly. Cooper. Cooper.
Dawson, bro, you need to stop doing that stuff, bro.
Yeah, Dawson.
Dave's better get out.
Who?
Dave got out. Go, Baumgartner!
Let's go, Baumgartner! We should start a chant for Baumgartner.
He's done. No. He's running out.
Hey, start a chant for Baumgartner.
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 Bumsicles.
He's better get out.
No, Camila's gonna get out together.
10.
Yeah, he's out. Daddy's gonna win, bro.
Of course.
Was that 9?
Just sweat.
We both got out on level 6. You were one down. We were both one level away from 7.
Where are you now?
What did I get tonight? Go, Baumgartner.
Yeah. I got 8.
He's gonna keep going. That's how we do. No, then we don't have to practice. It's okay. Keep going!
How is this possible?
He's trying. This kid, bro. He's about to go.
His dad's watching this one.
Where?
Yeah, on the bleacher.
Yeah, he does.
Okay,
He's trying to press his dad a whole bunch.
You
He's past 15.
Don't speak again.
He's got to past 15.
Don't speak again.
He's on 10.
And Coach David is an amazement.
Trip. What'd you get?
Coach David.
Like 8.
I got to 9.
He's-
How was that 9?
I'm actually okay with this.
No, we were technically, yeah.
Oh, that green card at the end.
Okay. I'm actually okay with this.
The one with the 21.
Keep going.
Green card.
Let's go, Yachty. He hasn't even.
I bet he's gonna get 15.
He's literally got out everyone.
I don't think he's really.
He's about to get out.
The trickle's getting faster every level.
Really?
I didn't think that.
Each level goes faster.
Oh my God, is that really sad?
Bro's still going.
He has to take a running step, like hopping the border.
Bro,
Connor.
that's crazy.
He messed like multiple times. That's like Drip has a mic in it.
Bro is this a Terminator
Connor doesn't care.
at stamina.
12.
Connor said that thing about Coach David.
Connor Buell, that was hilarious.
That was Connor, right?
Can't hear you.
What happened to what? No, I was talking about one of my
Can you-
other friends. They had to like run.